Now we are going to move on. I'm going to be teaching a song, a special piece composed by the late Dr. Alpo Tumhlanga. And the piece I'm going to teach is one of his compositions called Maimbo. Now, I'm going to ask these guys to give me the beat to the piece. Can you all please play your sticks? Now, that is where the beat is for this song. So each part is going to come in on the first beat. For example, we're going to watch the soprano. Can you come in on the first beat? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, thank you. Now we move to the tenor. Same thing, you come in on the first beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. And last, we have the baritone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I forgot about myself, the piccolo. Can you guys count me in? One of you count me in.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Right, let's all come in together at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so that is the first section to the piece. Next, we have the call and response part, where the piccolo plays a call, a short melody, and the rest of the ensemble responds. This is how it goes. All right. Okay, great. Now, I played that just to demonstrate the function of the piccolo. As you could hear, it changed the dynamics. It started playing softly, and the rest of the ensemble also followed. And then when I played from the beginning, I upped the tempo. It was really fast. So the ensemble also should follow with the same tempo. Right, we're just going to play it short once through. that is Maimbo for you, and I hope you are going to enjoy putting the whole piece together. Thank you for watching this episode. Please click on the link to our website, or you can watch some of our other videos here. If you enjoyed the videos, please like and subscribe. This is going to help us to create more awareness and to share skills.